Welcome back to Fix Your Apps. In this video, we're going to walk you through how to log into Messenger if you've forgotten your password. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more helpful tips and tricks. Step 1. First, open the Messenger app on your device. Step 2. Once you're on the login screen, tap on Forgot Password at the bottom of the screen. Step 3. Now enter the phone number or email address that's associated with your account. Make sure it's the one you use to sign up. Step 4. Click Continue to proceed to the next step. Step 5. You'll be asked to choose a method for receiving your verification code. You can pick either your email or your phone number depending on which one you have access to. Step 6. Go ahead and check your email or phone for the verification code that Messenger just sent you. Step 7. Once you've received the code, enter it into the app and tap Continue. Now you can save your login info for future use. Finally, you'll be logged into your Facebook Messenger and ready to go. And that's it. Thanks for watching, and see you in the next one.